Hi guys, welcome to this video. This video is to show you to generate a group of appointed letter with different staff name and then the position and the staff ID. So this is a sample of a appointed letter. Okay, so you want to key in all the different name using your Excel, the Excel list here. So you have the title of the employee and then employee first name, employee last name, and the staff ID and the position. So let's try it out. They will automatically generate all this in the appointed letter. So let's go. First, you need to click on mailing and then you press on start mail merge. Click on normal Word document. Then we will select this to choose the file. So if you need to type a new list, so you just type in here. If you have an Excel list, so you can just use an existing list. So you will choose your list. So let's say the employee list that I have. Then press OK, and then the first row data contains like the column header. So it's like this. Yeah, so we need to tick on it so they won't read for the first row. Okay, so once you have, then you can edit. So from the list, you have the title, the employee first name, last name, ID, and the position. So exactly same as the Excel. Okay, then how are you going to make it automatic? You need to go to insert the merge. Okay, so this one is the name of the employee. So you can just put like the title. And then we need to have a space. Then the last name of the employee. And the first name. Okay. So this will automatically generate, follow the title, name, the first name and the last name. Okay. So how about this? So this one we will put the last name. Just choose on merge and then the last name. So maybe we need a title here. So we can put on title here and then space. And then we need to put like com. Okay, so the position. So we can just like highlight this one. And then we choose merge and then we select the position. Okay, we also can like highlight the position like this. Okay, and then the staff ID, go back to mail and then merge and then ID. Okay, let's try it out and then you just click on preview. So you can see the first one. So this is the first one, Miss Lee Olive, and then Miss Lee, and then the position and the staff ID. So you can check Miss, and then the last name is Lee, and then the first name. The staff ID is 1001, and then the position is intern. So you can check exactly the same. So how about we try number 3? So the third one will be Miss Sophia, Chris, and then Miss Sophia. So you can see it's like assistant manager, and then 3003. So let's check out. Okay, number third one is Miss Chris, Sophia, and then 3003, and then assistant manager. Okay, once you have this, then you can actually just print out, merge, and then print out individual, or you can print out the whole document, or you can email it. So let's say we print it out or generate a PDF, we can click on this, and then we can print the document, all or current record. So we can just like press all. Okay, then we choose our to convert to PDF. Let's say okay, once we're done, so we have the appointed letter here. Yeah, so you can see the first appointed letter. So the second one is Ali, so we can check is it Ali and then its manager. So it's Ali and its manager. So that's all for how to generate a group of appointed letter using Microsoft Word and the Excel list. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like it and remember to subscribe my channel. Thank you.